If you have a house in Columbus, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I here at Sell House Columbus have been buying houses in and around Columbus, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the three main types of sellers that we see on a day-to-day basis. Please let me know in the comments below which type of seller you are. So seller type number one is the retail type seller, and this type of seller has a house that's in tip-top shape, mint condition, doesn't need any work. Also, they're under no time constraints, so they don't care if the house sells in a day, a week, a year, a month, or if the house just doesn't sell at all. There's no time restrictions for them whatsoever, and they don't mind foot traffic. So if the buyer is going to want to inspect the property multiple times, or if they want to market the property and do open houses and things like that, they don't mind a lot of different people walking through the house. If that sounds like you, I'm going to suggest that you list the property with a real estate agent. They'll do a great job for you. They'll get it on the market. Yes, you're going to have open houses and different buyers walking through, trekking through. They're going to have their inspections and appraisals, and you're pretty much closing on the time frame of the buyer. Right? More than likely, they're going to be using a loan, so you got to wait for their approval to come through and the appraisals and everything like that. But if time is not an issue for you and you want to get as much as you possibly can for the house and the house doesn't need a lot of work, we're going to suggest that you list the house with a real estate agent. Now, seller type number two is the convenience type seller, and we work very well over here at Sell House Columbus with convenience-seeking sellers. Now, the convenience that we provide is, number one, we're an as-is buyer. So we'll buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't need to fix anything, clean anything, or haul anything away. That's really convenient for you because no trips to the Home Depot. You don't got to pull out the broom and the dustpan, the Windex, or the paper towels here. No cleaning anything, no hauling anything away. You can take anything that you want out of the house. Anything you don't want or don't need, you can just leave behind. It's very convenient for you. What allows us to be this convenience type buyer for you as a convenience type seller is we're a cash buyer, no approvals needed, no mortgage company. That means we can close on the date of your choice. So if you need to close quickly, we can make it happen. If you need flexibility, we can make that happen as well. Seller type number three is the situation type seller, and believe me, for over 14 years here in Columbus, we've seen every situation imaginable. But if there's some type of situation going on, like a probate or inheritance type of situation, a seller, maybe they're back on payments, if maybe a couple payments behind, if there's a foreclosure, if the house needs work, if the property's occupied, you got it rented out, if there's an eviction going on, there's a court involved, whatever the situation is, if there's some kind of time constraint or you want to make something happen on your timeline, no matter what the situation is, we're going to be a good fit for you. Since we are a cash buyer and since we can close on the date of your choice and buy the house in its as-is condition, that means we don't have a million different walkthroughs and, inspections, and we're not testing the outlets here and the ceiling fans and things like that. No, we're going to keep it very easy, make you a fair offer on your house, just like we've done with hundreds of other people. We have so many reviews and testimonials we're happy to share with you. Very proud to work with Columbus homeowners, and I know we're going to be able to provide some options for you as well. So if you have a house in Columbus, Ohio, you're looking for something convenient, no matter what the situation is, give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about what type of work the house needs, and tell us more about the house, and then what type of timeline that you're looking to sell within, so we can accommodate your needs. It's an easy conversation, no pressure, no sales tactics, no gimmicks. We're going to treat you fairly like a neighbor, because that's exactly what we are. We're not in a call center here. We're here in Central Ohio, and we're going to treat you fair, treat you right, just like we've done with hundreds and hundreds of other people. So if you have a house in Columbus, you want to sell, take the convenient path, then we'll be a good fit for you. Give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.